I know, chatbots are expensive. They take forever to set up and they're a pain in the ass to get right. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how smart AI chatbots can save you time and money by qualifying leads, booking calls, and answering FAQs. Now, what is a chatbot? A chatbot is a tool embedded on your website that acts as a customer support and sales agent all in one, fully automatic. They answer FAQs instantly. Your chatbot becomes your 24/7 assistant, replying to the most common customer questions in seconds. They capture and qualify leads. They collect basic lead info and filter for high-intent prospects, and they book meetings automatically. They integrate with your calendar tool to schedule calls based on real availability. Not only that, they troubleshoot client issues. They guide users through predefined workflows to solve problems before they reach your team, and they connect to your system. They integrate with your CRM and whatever platforms your team is already using. This is ideal for agencies, service providers, and founders. If you're getting inbound leads, if you're booking calls, or if you're repeating the same answers over and over again, this bot can handle it for you. Now, there's different tiers. There's the starter chatbot that starts from $1,000 and is best for solopreneurs, startups, and small businesses on a budget. It features preloaded FAQ responses, captures names, emails, and key questions, sends meeting links, has simple CRM sync, and basic lead tagging. This one is also built and deployed fast, so if you're interested, we can have one running on your website within a week. Then there's the smart chatbot. The smart chatbot starts from $5,000. It's best for agencies and scaling teams. If your team is feeling stretched thin due to customer support, this one's for you. It features custom flows and logic trees, multi-language support, a performance dashboard, and is trained on your docs and website. It also has dynamic replies based on user behavior, and it has full calendar plus CRM integration. Now, last but not least is the RAG chatbot. Starts from $10,000. Is best for high volume enterprise businesses that have high traffic on their websites. Features retrieval augmented generation that connects to a vector database. It pulls answers from your private docs and has conversational memory. And this isn't only something you put on your website. This is a multi-department support tool. So your customer support team is going to need this, your sales team is going to need this, and your HR team is going to need this. But why should you care? Well, a study done by Harvard Business Review stated that responding within 5 minutes makes you 21 times more likely to qualify a lead compared to responding after 30 minutes. 21 times. 78% of B2B buyers purchase from the vendor who responds first, and 90% of customers rate an immediate response as essential or very important when they have a customer service question. That's not enough. Scalability without overhead. You don't need to hire more people to talk to more leads. The bot can scale as fast as your traffic does. And brand consistency. We can all agree that brand consistency builds trust. Every prospect gets the same fast, helpful experience, whether it's 2 p.m. or 2 a.m. Last but not least, data-rich conversations. This is why governments and businesses are investing heavily into AI. Imagine that every interaction with your chatbot feeds your CRM with insights of who your prospect is, what they want, and how close they are to converting. It's like having a cheat sheet on a sales call. It tells you exactly what they want and for what price. How much easier would it be to close that deal? If you haven't met her yet, you're in luck. I'm about to introduce you to Soul, Automatinator's AI chatbot, fully equipped and ready to talk to you about anything Automatinator and AI automation. Let's check her out. All right, we're back on Automatinator's website, and as you can see in the bottom right here is Soul. All you have to do to start chatting with her is to press on that speech bubble right there and start typing. Now, make no mistake, her hair is blonde, but she's a smart chatbot, and she just got RAG implementation. I'll explain what that means in a second, but for now, let's just ask about Automatinator services. Now, retrieval augmented generation, or RAG, gathers the data and helps Soul answer the question. I'll enlarge the UI so that you can see a bit better. Now we have a long list of Automatinator services, and based on what we're interested in, we can ask some more questions. So for this specific demo, let's ask about chatbots. Now, RAG does a semantic search on our vector database that is trained on Automatinator's documents and is able to answer the question specifically based on the user's query. Now we have the information we need on the chatbots. Let's take that a step further and ask about the pricing packages. Awesome, so we have build and bounce, build and maintain, and build and host. Now this information is on the website, but let's ask about build and bounce. Now we've asked all of the questions that we needed to do. We've gone through the FAQ part. Now all we have to do is qualify ourselves as a lead and book a call. Let's see if Soul can help us do that. Yes, so she'll ask us for our basic lead information, so our first name, our last name, our email address, finally our company name. She'll double check in with us to make sure that the information is correct, and it is. Now in the background, automations will run that'll add the user to Automatinator's CRM. I'll receive a notification on my phone here that'll let me know that a new lead has been added to the system, and the user will receive a personalized link for them to book a call. Now there's the link here. You can click that and go on another page, or we can book the call straight from the chat box window. All we have to do is look over the date and time, pick whatever availability works for us, check that all the fields are correct, and press that confirm button. Want a chatbot on your website? Feel free to hop on over to Automatinator.com, start chatting with Soul, and book a complimentary consultation call where we can talk about how automation and AI integration can help you save time and money. See you soon.